Yo, what up everyone, it's your boy Alter Tech back again with the new freaking video. And here we have the OnePlus 7 Pro and we're getting the update to the 9.5.11 software patch. Now let's see what we're going to get. Now first off, this file is going to be 306 megabytes, so be sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and check it out. We do have optimized adaptive brightness. We have optimized the sensitivity of the screen while gaming. Now for the adaptive brightness, it's just either way too bright or way too dark. And sometimes I do notice that the brightness will just change even though there's no change in brightness in my environment. Number 3, you do have optimized the accidental touches with notification bar while calling. So basically when you're in a call and you're trying to pull on your notification bar, it just doesn't want to stay down. It's just like it comes down and goes back up. So that should get fixed, which is pretty cool. We do have updated the GMS to 2019.06. I'm not even exactly sure what the GMS stands for. We have updated Android security patch to August of 2019, which is pretty impressive because the Google Pixel has yet to get the August patch. So this might, bring out some headlines. And we do have general bug fixes and improvements, which is all good. So, okay, so right now it's installing, and I'm gonna go ahead and test out the adaptive brightness once it is finished. While this is installing, I just went ahead and researched what GMS actually is. It actually stands for Google Mobile Services, which is a collection of Google applications and APIs that help support functionality across devices, so things should work a lot smoother. I'm guessing like YouTube and things like of that nature. Sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and check out the adaptive brightness real quick. Okay, so now that the software update has finished installing, let's go ahead and check out the adaptive brightness and see how it actually responds. Okay, this might be a little too bright. Step it down. Hey Google, turn on all the lights.
Okay, turning on 2 lights.
Let's check out that slider over here. Hey Google, turn off all the lights.
Sure, turning 2 lights off.
So I'm going to keep it like this. Maybe there's some algorithms where it actually learns your preferences when it comes to certain lighting conditions. I'll have to go ahead and give you guys a separate update on that because I don't think I could just test it out just like this. It's probably going to be like a couple days for me to get a good feel for the new adaptive brightness update. Anyways, this is Ultra Tech signing out with the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you have any videos or you want to see something else, if you have something in mind, be sure to comment down below. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. This is Alter Tech signing out. Take care. Peace.